Inspector General of Punjab Police Inam Ghani has directed his field formations to make best ever arrangements for the security of A category processions and majalis in all districts of the province on the occasion of Chelam Hazrat Imam Hussain alayhi salam. He advised his officers to go out in the field and continue to inspect the security arrangements. He further said snipers should be deployed on the rooftops of buildings coming in the way of majalis and processions, while no mourner should be allowed to enter the procession without checking with metal detectors, walk through gates, and searches. IG further said under a comprehensive strategy for the security of pilgrims and devotees on the annual Urs of Hazrat Usman Ali Hijweri Rahmatullah Alayh, senior officers should formulate security plans under personal supervision and traffic management with security arrangements during Raiwand Tablighi Ijtima. Inam Ghani further said preparations should be started for the security arrangements for the scheduled Pak Zimbabwe cricket series in Multan and Rawalpindi so that the process of revival of international cricket in Pakistan could be further strengthened and the spectators could fully enjoy cricket matches. He stressed that there is no compromise on free registration of FIR as not registering FIR of any crime is tantamount to aiding the oppressor till the original crime of the province is known and the resources required for the crime prevention cannot be estimated. IG issued these instructions to all command officers of the province during a video link RPOs, CPOs, and DPOs conference that was held at the Central Police Office today. During the conference, the IG was briefed that 393 processions and 697 majalis would be held across the province on the occasion of Imam Hussein's Chelam, for the security of which more than 35,000 police officers, 4,010 police national volunteers, and 8,657 volunteers would perform security duties, including 349 gazette officers. Other personnel, including 631 inspectors, 1,700 sub inspectors, 2,600 ASIs, 2,200 head constables, and 26,800 constables will be involved. 300 walk-through gates, 7,000 metal detectors, and 2,200 CCTV cameras will also be installed for the protection of mourners. During the conference, IG Inam Ghani commended DIG Operations Lahore Ashfaq Khan for his excellent performance and also appreciated the performance of RPOs and DPOs of Okara, Lodra, Faisalabad, and Sahiwal. He said accused in crimes like robbery, theft, and drug trafficking who are given bail soon, the district assessment committees should carefully review their cases and determine the reasons for granting bail to the accused so that these shortcomings could be controlled. At the same time, follow-up of these cases and close monitoring of the accused coming on bail should be ensured so that fear remains in the hearts of the accused. He further said special attention should be paid to close follow-up for accounting of guarantors giving fake bonds, and strict action shouldn't be delayed against those who give guarantees like professional touts, fake registries, and papers.